Hello, my name is Lucan, and I'm doing Python 1.
Oh, we're gonna use the arrows, the
Oh.
arrow key.
This
Yeah.
我现在在 my idea my project is Tamagotchi, and this is a picture of Tamagotchi. And this project was inspired by me wanting to make a virtual pet. I think having a pet is fun and you can take care of them. What?
Oh, make sure let's click on the slide. All right. Yeah.
What did I learn and use? My project uses a while loop and if statement. While loop, the first one is while loop. It checks if the pet is still alive for us to take care of them. The second one is if statement. The enter is an input, which is a command that the player gives to their pet, and this is a picture of it.
Yeah. Can you click on this minus sign right here? Yeah, and we can move that in the top right corner. All right, there we go. Let's click on the slide so you can go to the next. Yeah.
Code examples. This is a picture of the Tamagotchi, and this is the picture of playing it. Hunger goes down by 10 each turn, and if hunger is smaller than 0, they lose 15 health and 15 happiness. If happiness is smaller than 0, they lose 15 health each turn, and they increase age by 1 each turn.
All right. Let's actually show the game.
Yes.
All right, so you can click on stop and then run it again.
Stop like you run it, and you can give your Tamagotchi a name. I'll use Fluke for example. And you can make comments. You can like eat, clean, play, doctor, and discipline. Go do eat. And this is a Tamagotchi. And happiness equals to 50, hunger equals to 40, health equals to 100, and behavior equals to 100. Age is 1 because this is the first turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, can you go ahead and go to the slide?
Slide, okay.
And then we're gonna click on, oh, you disconnected. Let's grab this and put it back right here.
Wait, how do I grab it?
Oh, you have to click on it. Click and drag.
Okay.
Yep.
And this is Tamagotchis, like very cute. And this is my favorite part. My favorite part of this project was the gaming part. Like you can actually play it. Improvements. If I were to continue working on this project, I would add more commands. Draw the pet by using turtle and give more pet choices, like pictures of different pets. Add different emotions for the pet. Okay. Thank you.
Well, that's it.